Okay, so we're going to talk about measuring angles this evening. So if you look at it, angles are measured with a tool called a protractor. This right here is a protractor. And we're going to do about a total of 5 to 6 angles to demonstrate you how to measure using a protractor. But one thing that I want to point out to you is that we want to line up our red and black crossbars with the vertex of the angle, where one of our rays is going to be on our line here and the other ray is going to be measuring our angle. A good rule of thumb is to first decide if your angle is acute, which means it's less than 90, or obtuse, which is greater than 90. And this will determine if we're going to use the smaller or the larger of the two numbers. So let's begin. Okay, so measuring the angles. First thing, line your ray up with the 0 degree line. So if you look, this one's obviously less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. So we're going to use the smaller of the two numbers. So that angle is 30 degrees. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, it doesn't matter which ray you line up with, and I will show you for example. So this one is greater than 90, so we're going to use the larger of the two numbers. So each of these tick marks represent 1. So if you look, there's 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 35, 36, 37, 38. If I take it over to the other ray and line it up, we get 138 again. Okay, line it up. Okay, greater than 90, so we're going to use the larger of the two numbers. This is an obtuse angle, so that one is 115. Okay, continue on, line it up. Okay, less than 90, but right, look, it's one mark less than 80, so 80 minus 1 is 79. Okay, and finally, let's line this one up. Okay, it's less than 90, but it's on the longer of the marks, and that represents a 5, so that one is 85. So, right now I want you to take the opportunity to write down any questions you might have. You might want to practice some. If you do, you can go to this mathplayground.com and you can practice as well. And then we will be practicing this in class tomorrow. So, be prepared, and you have a very good evening.